A very very good morning to all my lovely kids. Children, what's going on? So now I hope you all are doing well at your place and you all are safe and fine. So children, now this is your first period, English. I hope you all have attended the assembly. Now children, in our English class, yesterday we learned about the concept of one and many, and now we are going to do some activity. After that we will do some written work. Okay, so let's start with our activity. So children, see, here are two groups of sketch pens, right? This is the left side and this is right side. Okay, I have kept some sketch pens in two groups, in my left and my right. So you have to tell me how many sketch pens are there in my left. There is only one. Yes, so we will say one sketch pen. One. How many? One. And here let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, how many sketch pens are there? 6. So children, these are more than one. ये एक से ज़्यादा है, राइट? एक से ज़्यादा है ना, तो दीज आर मैनी. और जब ज़्यादा चीज़ होती है, मैनी चीज़ होती हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं, जो ऑब्जेक्ट का नेम होता है उसके आगे एस लगाते हैं. ठीक है, लाइक स्केच पेन्स. क्या बोलेंगे हम इसे? स्केच पेन्स. ओके, वन पेन, मैनी पेन्स. वन स्केच पेन, many sketch pens. Okay, let's take another object. Now see children, there are two groups of toffees. Okay, here is one basket which have toffees, multiple choice. Okay, and in my right hand there is a bowl and it has only one toffee. Very good. There is only, you can see, one. So this is one toffee. What is this? One toffee. But in this basket there are so many toffees. You like it, na? Wow, mouth watering. Very good. So there are many toffees. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. How many toffees are there? 18. 18. तो चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ हमारे पास ओनली वन टॉफ़ी है, तो इसके लिए हम क्या बोलेंगे? वन टॉफ़ी. क्या बोलेंगे? वन टॉफ़ी. यानी अब वन इधर आ गया ना, ग्रुप चाहे इधर हो, लेफ्ट में या राइट में. इफ़ वी हैव वन ऑब्जेक्ट वी विल से वन टॉफ़ी. बट इफ़ वी हैव मोर देन वन, ये वन है और ये वन से ज़्यादा है. जब हमारे पास वन से ज़्यादा चीज़ होती हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे? मैनी बोलेंगे. और साथ में क्या लगाएंगे? एस. वेरी गुड. सो दीज आर मैनी टॉफीज. क्या बोलेंगे इसे हम? मैनी टॉफीज. सो चिल्ड्रन, अच्छा अब बताइए, अगर मैंने यहाँ से उठा के कुछ टॉफीज इधर इसमें मिक्स कर दी, तो अब इसमें ये दोनों को हम क्या बोलेंगे? बताइए. यस, ये भी मैनी और ये भी मैनी. वाई? बिकॉज अब ये वन से ज़्यादा हो गई ना. अभी इसमें वन थी, अकेला वन था. अब यहाँ पे वन से ज़्यादा हो गई, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 हो गई, है ना. तो अब वन से ज़्यादा हो गई, तो ये भी क्या बन गए? मैनी. और ये तो है ही मैनी. अब अगर इसमें से अगर मैं सारे टेक आउट करके इधर कर देती हूँ और यहाँ पर ओनली वन छोड़ देती हूँ, क्या बचा? The basket has one. Okay, so now it's one and these are many. Okay children, so remember, if we have one thing, we will read the name singularly by like one or toffee, one pen, one star, one balloon, one biscuit. Okay, but if we have more than one, we will add s after the name of the object. Okay, like toffees, pens, biscuits. Okay children, I hope you have understood. Now we will do written work in our notebook. So just take out your notebook, sharpen your pencil and keep your eraser with you. Okay children, so let's start. So are you ready children? See. Mention the date. Take out your notebook and mention the date. What date is today? Today is 5 August 20. Okay. And this is classwork. This is today's quotation. And our topic is one many. Now children, what you have to do? See the picture and where is one object, you have to write down O-N-E, one. In and which group have many objects, you have to write down M-A-N-Y, many. And you can see as, देखिए, ball. What is the spelling of ball? B-A-L-L, ball. There is only one ball, so I have written B-A-L-L, ball. But in the other side, I have more balls. Many balls, more than one. See, 1, 2, 3. So I have written balls. B-A-L-L-S, balls. So like this, you can see here are how many pencils? 2 pencils. And 2 is more than 1. 2 1 से ज़्यादा होता है ना? Yes. So I have written pencils. तो ये क्या बन गई? पेंसिल्स. जब एक से ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं चीज़ें तो उसमें एस लग जाता है. पेंसिल्स. ये है पेंसिल, पेंसिल्स. क्योंकि यहाँ एक पेंसिल है तो मैंने इसकी स्पेलिंग लिखी है पेंसिल. बट एक से ज़्यादा होने पर यहाँ पे मैंने एस ऐड कर दिया. हियर आर सम स्टार्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 स्टार्स. S-T-A-R-S, stars. But here I have only one star, so I have written S-T-A-R, star. Like this, there is only one bat, B-A-T, bat. But when I got more bats, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have written here bats, B-A-T-S. So now children, you have to write down where is one and where is more, यानी many. Okay, so just do it by self. चलिए मैं आपको एक करके दिखा देती हूँ. One ball, so I will write down here one. O-N-E, one, like this. Okay, one. And there are many balls, so we will write here many. M-A-N-Y, many. Okay children, I hope you all have understood very well. So this is your classwork. Just do it. Then I will give you your homework. Okay children, in our next class we will do our next topic. Till then, goodbye children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.